Hello, my dear learners. Welcome. Today, I will help you master a common topic in your mathematics exams, calculating mean and total age. As you prepare for WAEC, JAMB, or NECO, remember that QandAHelp.com is the best place to get adequate preparation to ensure you succeed. In this lesson, we will learn how to solve tricky mean age problems by understanding the mathematical reasoning behind them, and I will share a cool shortcut to save you time. Mastering this technique allows you to transform a confusing word problem into guaranteed points on your exam. Let us look at our question. This is question 22. The sum of the ages of 14 learners in a class is 168. A learner was added to the class and the mean age changed to 12.2. Calculate the age of the new learner. First, let us identify our values. The problem already gives us the original total age of 168 for the 14 learners. Then, the question tells us a new learner joined, and the mean age changed to 12.2. To find the missing age, we start with the mean formula. Mean equals total divided by number. Since we know the new mean and number of learners, we rearrange this. By multiplying both sides by the number, we get total equals mean multiplied by number. Mathematically, comparing the original total age to our newly calculated total age allows us to isolate exactly how many years were added by that one new learner. Let us find our new number of learners. We had 14 and 1 was added. 14 plus 1 gives us a new total of 15 learners in the class. It is very important to use 15 for the next step. If you continue using 14, your final answer will be incorrect. Now we substitute our values. The new total age is the new mean, 12.2 multiplied by 15. We break this multiplication into simple parts. 12.2 times 10 is 122, and 12.2 times 5 is 61. Adding them gives us 183. To find the age of the new learner, we subtract the original total from this new total. 183 minus 168 equals 15. When we look at our options, we see that 15 matches option D. So the new learner is 15 years old. Here is a cool shortcut for your exam. You can write this as one equation. New learner's age equals the new mean times the new number minus the old total. 12.2 times 15 minus 168 gives us 15 immediately. The most frequent error students make is multiplying the new mean by the old number of learners. Always remember to add the new person to your count before you multiply. Understanding this logic while using the shortcut helps you solve these problems quickly under exam pressure. Let us recap. First, find the new number of learners. Second, calculate the new total age. Third, subtract the old total to find the new learner's age. Try this quick quiz. The total age of 10 learners is 120 years. One learner joins and the new mean becomes 12. Find the age of the new learner. Please pause the video and try it now. Let us see if you got it. 11 learners times a mean of 12 gives a new total of 132. 132 minus the old total of 120 means the new learner is 12 years old. Well done! One more for practice. The total age of 8 students is 104 years. A 9th student joins and the new mean becomes 13. Find the age of the new student. Pause again and solve it. Here is the solution. 9 students times 13 is 117. 117 minus 104 gives us 13 years. You are doing great. For more detailed past question explanations, visit QandAHelp.com. We provide help for WAEC, JAMB, NECO, and many other examinations. Consistent practice is the best way to succeed. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. See you in the next lesson.